Whoa, look at, I mean, look at that. What the?
God. Oh my God.
Jesus.
What's happening out there?
There's a swarm of bees.
Swarm of bees.
Whoa.
Fortunately, when they're swarming, they're not very dangerous.
Really?
No.
So scary.
They don't have anything to defend. But when they're having a battle, they might be.
Look at all our dead bees.
I don't think those are dead. They might be dead.
A pile on the ground.
Yeah.
Probably dead.
Oh, they're starting to move.
Are they moving around?
Warm all to fall together.
Okay, Claire, I need you to go inside, baby. Go inside right now. Daddy's about to whack a bunch of bees.
Mom, what is this? What is this, Mama?
Ready, Drew? I'm ready. Just whack it with your hand. Whack the branch real hard. Ready? Go. Whoa, jeez. See? Heavier than you thought it was going to be?
Oh, Bingo got stung.
Bing, out of here.
Come here, Bing. Come here, Bingo.
Bingo, bingo, bingo.
Claire, take Bingo inside. Take Bingo inside.
Bing, come on. Bing.
All right.
Come on, Bing. Bing.
Come on.
Bing.
Just come on.
Bing, come on.
Bingo.
Bingo. Come on. Bingo, come on. Bingo, come on. Bingo. 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 Bingo, come on.
No, it's not gonna clean. Ah. Yeah, I got a fucking bee in my.
Bingo.
Ah! Here, you go deal with it. I got this.
Keep going, keep going, keep walking. You have bees all over you. Claire, go inside, please.
We've got the feeder right there.
Ah, there we go.
Yeah, so let's stick the feeder. Feeder goes over right there. Oh, that's right. Sorry, Bingo. Holy crap, dude, that's so awesome.
Still a cluster up there.
Is there?
Yeah.
Oh, we gotta go get them. Because the queen might be in that cluster. I'll go get her. I can get them.
Okay.
Yeah, you go.